Guys, we're here. There's a hot spring here. It's not quite like geyser, but it's yeah. So yeah, just logging here. Yeah, we have to go back to the bus soon. I'm just gonna check it out for you guys. My ankle hurts like a motherfucker. Alright guys, check this out. Hey. Whoa! Oh, whoa! What the frick? Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm lost. Wait, where are we? Oh, okay. Ah! Whoa, where are we, man? Where are we, man? Hey, get a vlogger. Guys, so this is the hot spring. Check that out.
Is this going to YouTube?
This is going on the YouTube, man.
Oh wow!
This is really cool. Det är så väldigt vilt idag. Probably shouldn't be vlogging here because if I drop my phone in here, I'll lose it forever. No way I'm jumping over this fence, man. Rules are rules. Rules are rules.
Emma, how do you like the smell?
Alright. Yeah, I could live here.
Kunde jag släppa? Vad hände när du träffade?
Hvað? Þetta mástu ég bara sagt þurr?
Ég held að það er dassni.
Nei, þá var ég bara þá ekki eða.
Þetta er risp að drekka.
Já, þetta er
Yeah, sorry, the gravity's on my side.
Oh shit, this happened earlier when I fell on the
You
rock.
know, if it doesn't go up, it doesn't go up.
What do you mean? Here?
Yeah.
I fell. I fell earlier. Guys, I can't see anything, guys. Guys, we're just gonna follow Artkatla.
Follow me, guys. Then you make it online, you know. You die. Yes.
It's going up for all my 14 subscribers. All my 14 subscribers are going to see this, and please speak English if you want to talk to them.
Oh, sorry. Yes. I was just saying that it was good that you told me because I knew the right way out of this.
Out of this.
Right now.
Yeah, thanks. You do what a lot? You do what a lot? You said I do this a lot. What do you do a lot?
Save people from this thing, you know.
Oh, so you're just here saving people all day,
Once I was here and learned like, oh, see, I'm so strong. I can do this, you know. Wow! Wow, this is amazing.
Icelandic girls are crazy.
Yes, they're crazy.
Icelandic guys are awesome.
Iceland are crazy, you know. Everybody.
Icelandic guys are awesome.
Not all of them, no, but a few maybe. I don't know.
Ég er að vlogga. Jú, fyrir alla mína 14 subscribers.
Er það 14, segir þú 14 eða 14?
14. Jeg har 14 subscribers.
Wow, wow. That's a lot, you know. A lot of people are going to see this video.
I used to have only 13, but now someone has come and subscribed.
Yes, I will share this video and everyone, like, all my friends are going to, you know, watch it and like it and comment maybe. Wow.
Oh yeah, I would love that.
Yes, me too, because I'm a superwoman. I am basically a superwoman, so yes.
Like the YouTuber?
What?
Another one is like, what up, you girl? Oh, it's
Superman with, no, Batman. No, Superman, yeah.
yeah. We are not
Like, I
retards.
saved you there, you know, that was my superpower, you know.
Oh, right.
Wow, I'm really amazing. You just don't know how to
Here's
get.
the bus again.
I'm really amazing.
This Danish guy probably thinks we're crazy.
It moves. Yes, I am a superwoman.
Yes, I am. Alright, we're going back in the bus. See you guys.
Yes, see you guys. Thank you for